Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Oogie Boogie or Oogle Boogie from Nightmare Before Christmas. All right, so to start with, we're going to start at the head. So we're going to draw a little wiggly line coming down and a wiggly line coming back up, and it's going to be kind of like a V, or I think it looks like a carrot. Then we're going to draw a line down, and we're going to draw another line down. Actually, this one's going to come up a little bit. There we go. All right, then we're going to draw his eyes. So they're going to be like little arcs like that, and then they're going to come down. Go. And then we're going to draw a line above it, coming around, a line above it with a wiggly, coming around. Then we're going to draw the mouth. So the mouth is going to come around, and I'm going to try to wiggle it as I'm coming around. Wiggle it as I'm coming around. Try to make it not perfect. And then we're going to draw that, and we're going to come around like so. Come around like so. And then we've got little lines in here. So it looks like he's sewed together. And then we've got some more sew lines, like there's a line here that's stitched. There we are. And then there's another line here. It kind of comes in. Wonderful. All right. Then we've got the arm coming out here like a little V. And then he's holding a stick with a Nightmare Before Christmas kind of jack thing on it. So there's your stick. And then it's going to come around just like that, and then this comes back down and then back over. Then on the stick, we've got a circle that doesn't quite go together, and then it looks like he's taken a bite of it. Maybe it's a Jack lollipop. I think it is. There's some triangles in there. There we go. That looks good. All right, back to the Oogle Boogie. What a crazy name. All right, so then we're gonna start the tummy here. Great big tummy coming down, and then it comes down and over. And he's got these little bitty feet. Wiggly line. And he's got his other foot, which is a little bit bigger. All right, then we're gonna come back over here to his other arm, which is gonna come out, down and around. And then it's gonna have a little hook on it. Then it's gonna curve back around, come over, and then a little line like that. And then he's got his great big tummy on this side. It's gonna come over and around. All right, there we have it, and we just have like some more little stitch lines. Is that the only stitch line? Looks like maybe there's a stitch line here. And we've got some little lines for where his parts are bending. Got that one. I think that looks pretty good. All right, let's put him on the ground. All right, there it is. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.